Hi guys, I hope all is well. So we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2019. The session is May-June. This is question number 6. We'll be finding distance, the average speed, time and angles. So let's start. The question in front of us says the diagram shows the position of two boats A and B drawn to scale of 1:m. The actual distance between the two boats is 4 kilometers. Find m giving your answer correct to one significant figure. Okay. Now, in order to find the value of m here, we need to find the distance between A and B by measuring it with a scale. Okay, so when we measure this distance, it is going to be 5 centimeters on this diagram. So if 5 centimeters is equal to 4 kilometers, that means 4 kilometers would convert to 400,000 centimeters. Then what would 1 centimeter be equal to, which is the value of m? So m would be 400,000 divided by 5, that gives us 80,000. So the value of m is 80,000. Okay, let's move on. Measure the bearing of A from B. That means they're asking us to find this angle right here. But if we find this angle and subtract it from 360, it would give us the same answer. So let's do that. First of all, let's erase all of this. Second is take out our scales. And the best thing about this scale is that it also gives us the angles in the middle. So if this is 90 degrees, one second, if this is 90 degrees, and if we measure this angle, that is roughly about 33 degrees, that means 90 plus 33 gives us 123 degrees. So if we subtract 123 degrees from 360, we would get this angle right here. So let's do that. So 360 minus 123. Let's use our calculator for this. One second. 360 minus 123 gives us 237 degrees, which is the bearing of A from B. So we write 237 right here. A third boat is positioned at C. C is on a bearing of 120 degrees from A and on a bearing of 195 degrees from B. Find and label C on the diagram. Okay, so we use the same scale that we used before, but this time we measure bearings in a different way. So first of all, if this is 90 degrees, one second, if this is 90 degrees, and what we have to measure? We have to measure an angle of 120 degrees from A. So that means you add another 30 degrees on top of this. One second. So you add 30 degrees on top of this, which should take you to this point. Okay, so you draw a line from A going like this, and then the question says 195 degrees from B. That means if, one second, this right here is 180 degrees, that means you need another 15 degrees this way. So 15 degrees from 90 will take us to 75. So let's draw that. One second. Yeah. So if we draw a line like this, this bearing right here would be 195 degrees. So this point is going to be C. So we label C. Now what does the question say further? Find by measurement the actual distance in kilometers from A to C. So let's measure the distance between A and C first. The distance between A and C is 3.5 centimeters. So if A to C is 3.5 centimeters, then what is the distance in reality? Let's say that it is x centimeters. So our scale was 5 centimeters to 4.5 kilometers, and in fact let's convert the centimeters at the top to kilometers so that it's easier for us. The question also asks us to answer in kilometers, so let's cross multiply them. 4.5 times 3.5 divided by 5 would give us x. So x comes out to be 4.5 times 3.5 divided by 5 gives us 3.15. 1 second, did I make a mistake? So 3.5 centimeters, yeah, 5 centimeters equals this. Oh, sorry, it's not 4.5 kilometers, my bad. It is 4 kilometers. So you multiply 4 over here. Okay. So 4 times 3.5, 4 times 3.5 divided by 5 gives us 2.8 kilometers. Yeah, that is correct. 2.8 kilometers. So you write the answer right here, 2.8 kilometers. Let's move on. The next question has given us a triangle AHB. The diagram shows the positions of the boats A and B and a harbor H. AB is 4, AH is 6, ABH is 70 degrees. Calculate AHB. They need this angle. So how do we find this angle? We use the sine rule. So let's see. Sine AHB over the distance AB is equal to sine ABH over the distance AH. So let's put in the values. So sine AHB is what we are looking for, is equal to sine ABH, which is sine 70, times AB, because we cross multiplying now. So AB is 6 divided by AB is 4. Sorry, my bad. I made 2 mistakes in this question, but I hope you guys can bear with me. So AB is 4 and AH is 6. Okay, so let's multiply them and let's see what we get. So 4 times sine 70 divided by 6 gives us 0.6265, and let's find the value of AHB. So AHB is equal to sine inverse of 0.6265. Let's plug this into the calculator, and the value of AHB that we get is 38.8 degrees. So we write the answer right here, 38.8 degrees. Okay, let's move on to the last part. Yeah, it is the last part. The boat at A travels in a straight line to the harbor H. The average speed of the boat is p kilometers per hour. It takes 12 minutes 20 seconds for the boat to travel from A to H. Calculate P. First of all, this 12 minutes and 20 seconds needs to be converted to hours. So in seconds, let's see how much this is. 12 minutes and 20 seconds. If you convert this into seconds, this would give you 740 seconds. Now, if you convert 740 seconds to hours, let's see, 740 divided by 60 and another 60, so you get 0.21 hours. So the formula for the speed is distance divided by time. Speed is in p kilometers per hour. The distance of A to H is 6. So you write 6 divided by the time, which is 0.21. This gives us, let's see what we had, 29.2. 29.2 kilometers per hour. That is your answer. 29.2 kilometers per hour. I hope this question made sense. The complete working of this question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.